In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana integration in Slack, 5 Minties. By the end, you'll be able to connect Asana to Slack, create tasks directly from Slack, share them with your team, and make quick updates without switching tabs. Start by signing into Asana. Head to the login page, enter your email address, continue, and then enter your password to log in. Once you land on your Asana home, open the project where you want Slack updates and actions to flow. Inside that project, open the Customize panel, go to Apps, and choose Add. Select Slack from the list, then choose Add to Project. When prompted, click Connect to Slack. You'll be asked to allow permissions, approve them so Asana and Slack can talk to each other. If your workspace has admin restrictions, you might need approval. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Next, sign into Slack if you're not already. Enter your Slack account email, continue, and complete the prompts to finish the connection. Make sure you select the correct Slack workspace and confirm the app installation. Now let's use the integration. In Slack, open the Asana app and start a new message with it. In the message box, type Asana, create, and press enter. A task creation form will appear in Slack. Fill in a clear task name so it's easy to understand at a glance. Choose the right Asana project to keep work organized. Pick a due date to set expectations and help with prioritization. Add a helpful description with any context, links, or acceptance criteria your teammate will need. When everything looks good, click Create. Slack will prompt you to share the task to a channel. Choose the channel where your team collaborates so everyone can see the new task. If you see a confirmation, click Share Anyway. You'll now see a task card in Slack. If you want to open it in Asana, click View Task in Asana. You can also make quick changes right from Slack. Use the More Actions menu on the task card, choose Change Assignee, select the teammate responsible, and click Submit. This update syncs instantly with Asana, keeping your project up to date without leaving Slack. From here, feel free to explore additional actions in that same menu to manage tasks more efficiently. With this setup, you can capture requests, assign owners, and share progress right where your team is already chatting. That's how to use the Asana integration in Slack for faster, clearer collaboration.